In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a link in the description or bio of your YouTube channel. Okay, so now let us say you're logged into your YouTube account, and let us say this is the channel wherein you want to add the uh, website URL. Okay, so let's say you click it here, you go into your channel, right? So let us say now you're in this channel. Now you have to find out where you can customize the channel. So normally it should be view your channel over here, and over here it allows you to customize. So you say customize channel, you click there, and then you reach this place. This is where actually you upload all the banner, the channel banner here, the channel logo over here. All that we will do later. After the channel, we have uploaded a few videos. As of now, we should just add our link, our website link. So where do you add it? You come here. Here, description also. Later on, we will come here and we will add a description. At that stage, you will be advised. Now, when you come here to the links, right, this is where you say add link. Add link. Now we can add several links over here, either website, Facebook account, or other YouTube channel link, whatever. But we want to add our website. So we will type here website, okay? And then here we will paste the URL which I have given you. You will paste it here. Here we will, this is the, right, so this is what we will paste. The productoasis.com/snapshot/, right? That's all we got to do over here as of now for today. Tomorrow, after we have uploaded a few videos in those various channels, we will go and update the description. I will inform you what to do, and so on and so forth. We'll put the photo here, and we will put the what do you call the banner image over here. So as of now, we have just put the link which is here. That's it, and we will say publish. Now when we say publish, we must see whether what has happened. So again we say go to channel, and we will see whether the link has appeared. Now you see the link has appeared here. Okay. Similarly, you had done earlier for the how to put the link in the bio of Instagram channel, right? Now this is the way we do for YouTube. I hope it is clear.